Okay, assessing the situation here, I realized that getting 220 to that upstairs bedroom where I think might be my ham radio room is going to be pretty easy. So this is the, let me back up and give you guys some context here. So this is the alcove. This was the evil gun safe room. There's the gun safe, which is now temporarily tool locker. And I got some tables at Home Depot, various projects going on. Oh, got a new outside light. Can't wait till this project is done so I can go play with the foo-foo stuff. Put a nice pole light up somewhere outside. Anyway, this is the alcove that was the mother-in-law room. I had the Mexicans knock out that wall. I had to cut this beam out of the way for the garage door guys who were coming. And I fired the Mexicans who did this shitty drywall job. That's got to be redone and refixed. They went and didn't support this at all. They should have landed that right on the joist seam. Anyway, I'll have to fix that. But I was looking here and I realized, after going up in the attic many times, that the outside wall to that room is right here. Right, easily accessible from this alcove room, which I need to put a new ceiling anyhow. So I realized that this heater vent is down here, and so I located that, and that heater vent is actually in that upstairs bedroom. And so see where it is, right on the corner there. I measured it upstairs. It's 62 inches from there to the outside wall in the bedroom. And by golly, I went here in the attic, and it's 62 inches here too. Well, look how shitty these people worked here in 1978. Bad. Anyway, it's rough construction. Not a big deal. So this is the wall, the back wall of that bedroom. And the floor is right here. So there's 62 inches from that corner right to here, the end of the heater duct. So if I figure how far to come up, about a foot or so right in here someplace, is just bore a hole, drill a hole, and I can put a retro box, a wall outlet, and a 220 outlet there, and I can run that up. And I'm going to take it one step further and put another box and put a big 2-inch conduit with a nice smooth 90 degree, and I can run all my coaxes out of there too. Let me get off the ladder. So I'll run a line out of there, and it'll come right across here. I'll have to fish it through here from the attic, and the new breaker panel, where the additional 100 amp sub panel is going to be right here on the surface. So I can come right up in here somehow, or somehow get up in here, which shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Let's see here. It'll be tight, but I can get up in there or run it across here with a piece of conduit and go up and then go straight over. So that'll give me 220 volt line up there and a couple of 110s high current. I'm going to bring a 2-inch or 2 out here for my coaxes. So my coaxes will come out here. I could drop something down in here if this is going to be a supplemental radio room or electronics room or just a workbench area. I'll bring some Ethernet cable down. But anyway, 2-inch conduit up to here. I can go up in the attic and I could swoop down here and go out back here. Or maybe what I'll do is if I'm going to put VHF antennas on the top of the roof here, is come up through the top here and catch that mast, and I could put a 2-inch outlet up here. I could have all of my coaxes hidden. Are we still recording? I think so. No?